Hello beautiful people, this is Nandini Anand. Welcome to my channel Fashion and Lifestyle. You would have come across fashion related videos and the travel vlogs in my channel. So today's video is least expected. I'm going to share my cooking recipes with you from today onwards. I'm going to also post cooking recipes videos. So my first recipe for my channel is going to be aloo parathas. So aloo parathas is an Indian dish which can be consumed even for large breakfast or dinner. It's a quite popular Indian dish which is made out of wheat flour and potatoes. So let's get this video started. So let's note down the ingredients. So I have taken mustard and jeera, 1 teaspoon each, and I have taken some finely chopped corianders and 1 inch of ginger which has been completely smashed. It has to be smashed well, otherwise it will come in between when you're making the parathas. And I have taken some curry leaves. I have chopped it finely, and I have taken chili powder around 1.5 tablespoon, and you can reduce it. Usually I take 2 tablespoon, but you can also reduce it if you feel it is too hot. And some cooking oil, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Salt as per your taste. I have taken around 4 medium sized potatoes. I have boiled them in pressure cooker for around 3 to 4 whistles, and I have smashed them completely. So you should keep this ready. And some wheat flour to make the roti dough. So now let's start making the dough to make the parathas. So now the dough is ready. You have to keep it aside for 10 minutes to rest. Now it's time to make the potato stuffing. So let's get started. First of all, heat the pan. Add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, you add the mustard and jeera. So I'm adding a pinch of hing in it, so it gives a better taste. And now I'm adding some curry leaves. And the ginger paste. Now it's time to add the aloo, smashed potatoes. So I'm going to add the smashed potatoes in this. You can keep the stove in the sim, flame in the sim, so that you get time to blend it well. Now it's time to add some chili powder. So I'm just spreading some chili powder in this, 1 tablespoon and a half tablespoon. I think this will be enough. Depending on the kind of spice you want, you can add the chili powder. I'm adding a little more because I like it a little spicy. So blend it well so that the chili powder blends well with the potatoes. Now you can add turmeric and the garam masala. Smash the potatoes well while you're blending all the ingredients. Just smash the potatoes well. If in case there's any lumps, just break it with the spatula and blend it well. So I'm adding salt to it, around 1 teaspoon. Add some coriander to garnish. So this is also done. So now our paratha stuffing is ready. So you can see I've made 2 small rotis here of equal size. So now I'm going to add the paratha stuffings. I'm going to take some paratha stuffing. I'm adding it on the roti. Just spread it equally. I have learned this recipe from my mother-in-law, and this is my mom's favorite recipe too. Now sandwich the other roti and completely close the edges, otherwise the stuffing might come out. So you just take care of that. So seal the edges completely. Now let's make the parathas. Slightly make it flat depending on how big you want it. So I guess this is fine. Just spread a little bit of oil on the tawa. So we are on with the first paratha. I just added the oil. You can either add oil or even ghee. Now it's almost done. You can remove it from the tawa. Aloo paratha is ready to eat. So I want to try. Let me taste how it's come out. You can serve the hot parathas with pickle and curd. Yum. Hope you enjoyed my today's video, and you would also try making some aloo parathas at your home. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you get the first notification as soon as I upload my video. So take care. Bye.